Which of the following options would the author most agree with? To answer this question, we will have to understand the view of the author and then decide that which of the following options will be in line with the author's view. Option A. In the long run, cultural citizenship will be principally defined by women immigrants. The author suggests that the women immigrants have played a pivotal role in redefining the citizenship, and hence we can assume that the author will agree with this option. Option B. Racism and discrimination against women will prove to be insurmountable stumbling blocks for women immigrants. Let us refer to the second last line of the passage, which says that women negotiate hitherto uncharted hostile public space replete with images of suspicion, racism and discrimination. This sentence has a positive note which suggests that the women will be able to overcome these difficulties and not succumb to it. So the author will not agree to option B. Option C. Women remain subservient to their husband when the latter migrates to a foreign country. To answer this question, to look at this option, let us look at the first line of the third paragraph, which says that women eventually recover their own subjectivity, and the passage suggests that they are actually able to retain or make their own individual identity. So we can negate option C also. Option D. The women characters of Namesake and Rick Lane are very different from what we see in real life. Let us look at the second paragraph for this option. It says that the women characters represent migration from the Indian subcontinent, and the movies represent ethnic Bengali experiences of migration. So we can definitely say that these women characters are very similar to what we see in real life, and they represent the pluralistic cultural identity that we face or that we see. So we can definitely negate option D as well. The correct answer to this question hence is option A.